Welcome to WizzKidz TV. Let's guess what safari animals are hiding inside the eggs. Do you know what this is? Yes, a rhino. Let's see what other animals are hiding inside the eggs. This is a grizzly bear. I wonder what's inside this egg. An elephant. Let's see what's inside the pink egg. A lion. Roar. Let's see what's inside this egg. A giraffe. Let's see what's inside this egg. A gorilla. Wow! What about the blue egg? A camel. Let's open the blue egg up. A zebra. I wonder what's inside the green egg. It's another rhino. Let's open the orange egg up. It's a tiger. We have one more egg. Let's open it up. We have a cheetah. Thanks so much for opening up all the eggs with me. Please subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.